Hey guys, wanna know how to uninstall Audacity the easiest way? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do so. Now let's get right into it. Now first up, make sure you have your search bar right here. That's right beside the Windows icon. Now type in Audacity and then just simply right click on it, and then here you can see uninstall button. Click on it and then control panel should open. Now you need to search for Audacity. For me, it's right here. Right click on it again and then select Uninstall. Once you've done that, there will be a dialog box open. Click yes. And your Audacity will be uninstalled automatically. And that's it. It's as simple and easy as that. You can also delete all the components by going to its core files and stuff. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.